Good morning to all of you. Myself Vikas Kumar Swan, Math Faculty, KDPS Nangli Sakrawati, Najafgarh, Nai Delhi. Proprietor Brain Boost Academy near Madan Clinic, Ranaji Enclave, Nai Delhi. Certified Vedic Math Teacher. Today we will discuss Class 7 textbook Ganit Prakash, Chapter 4, Expressing Using Letters and Numbers. Algebra is the language of mathematics. Algebra uses letters and numbers to represent unknown quantities. Example, a number plus 5 is x plus 5. Variable letters. A variable is a letter whose value can change. Example, x, y, a, b, m, n. Example, Rahul age is x. After 5 years, then his age is x plus 5 years. Constant number. A constant is a fixed number whose value does not change. Example, 2, 5, 10, 100, etc. In x plus 8, x is variable, 8 is constant. Algebraic expression. An expression made using variable and numbers. Example, x plus 5, 3a, 2x plus 7, x minus 4, 4m plus 3. These are algebraic expression. Terms. Each part separated by plus minus is called a term. Example, 3x plus 5y minus 8. 3x is one term, plus 5y is second term, minus 8 is third term. Next, coefficient, the number multiplied by a variable. Example, 5x, coefficient 5, variable x. Minus 7a, coefficient minus 7, variable a. Like and unlike term. Like term, same variable, 3x and 5x, 7a and minus 2a. Unlike term, different variables, 3x and 3y, x and y. Simplifying expression. Only like term can be added or subtracted. Example, 3x plus 5x is equal to 8x. 9a minus 4a is equal to 5a. 3x plus 2y cannot be simplified. Writing a statement as expression. A statement, a number increased by 8. Expression x plus 8. A number decreased by 5. X minus 5. 5 times a number, 5x. 1/3 of a number, x upon 3. Sum of two numbers, x plus y. Difference of two numbers, x minus y. Product of two numbers, xy. Substitution. Replace the variable with its value. Example, find 3x plus 2 when x is equal to 5. That is 3 into 5 plus 2. That is 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Answer 17. Find 2a minus 4 when a is equal to 8. Then 2 into 8 minus 4. 16 minus 4, 12. Answer 12. Perimeter using variables. Rectangle. A rectangle is breadth b, length l. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into l plus b. Example, if l is equal to 8 centimeter, b is equal to 5 centimeter, then perimeter is equal to 2 into 8 plus 5. 13 into 2 is equal to 26 centimeter. A square. A square is every side is a, then the perimeter of a square is equal to 4a. Example, if a is equal to 7, then perimeter of a square is 4 into 7 into 28 centimeter square. Area using variable. Rectangle, length L, breadth B, area L into B. Example, if L is equal to 10 centimeter, B is equal to 4 centimeter, area 10 into 4 is equal to 40 centimeter square. A square, area squared side A, area is equal to A square. Example, if A is equal to 6 centimeter, then area of the square is equal to 6 square is equal to 36 centimeter square. Number patterns, rule 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Rule 2n, n is equal to numbers 5, 10, 15, 20. Rule 5n, n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1, 3, 5, 7. Rule 2n minus 1, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Forming expression from daily life. Age after 6 years, x plus 6. Money left after spending 50, x minus 50. Cost of B pencil is equal to 8 into P. Total cost of X books at the rupees 100 each, 100 into X. Distance in 4 hours at speed X, 4X. Expression versus equation. Expression does not have an equal sign. Example, x plus 5, 3a minus 2. Equation has a equal sign. Example, x plus 5 is equal to 10. 2a is equal to 10. Key formula. Rectangle perimeter is equal to T into L plus A. Rectangle area is equal to L into B. A square of perimeter of a square is equal to 4a. Area of a square is equal to A square. Brain Boost Academy, a specialist in Vedic Maths, all subject grade 1 to 8, Maths, Science, English. Proprietor Vikas Kumar Suman, Math faculty, KDPS, Nangli Sakravati, Najafgarh, Nai Delhi. Thank you.